Here we go. 1 and 2.
We the kids of basic skills, learning solfege, we've had our spills. All those dictations lead to frustrations, and intervals give us the chills. So do, 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 so la la do, 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 so la la do, 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 si, do, la, do, si, so, so la la do. Aubrey's minor wasn't so fun. Slowly but surely we got the job done. Soon we'll be taking on modulations and mixed meter transcription.